Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be doing a battery charging speed test. So the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G has a 5 milliamp hour battery, and I'll be using a 25 watt Samsung official charger to do the test. So yeah, we're just going to test out and see how long it takes to charge this battery from 0% to 100%. Okay, so I've just plugged it into the wall, but first of all I'm just going to power it on just to show you all that the battery is at 0%. Okay, so you can see it's at 0%. Okay, so now I'm just gonna turn on the power to start the phone, start the charging process. Okay, so I'm just gonna start the timer. And every 10 minutes, we're going to come back and have a look and see how far the battery has reached with the charging process. So see you all soon. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm back again. It's almost at 10 minutes. Let's stop it and check to see how far the battery has reached with the charging process. So it's at 17%, from 0% to 17% in 10 minutes and 2 seconds. I kind of went over by 2 seconds, but you know. So I'll be back when we get to the 20-minute mark. So let's go. See you all soon. Okay, back again. We're almost at the 20-minute mark, so I'm going to stop it and then check to see how far the battery has reached. So it's at 37%. Okay, not doing too bad. So let's go ahead and start back the timer, and then I'll see you when we get to the 30-minute mark. See you all soon. Okay, back again. So we're almost at the 30-minute mark. So I'm going to stop the timer at 30 minutes and then check the battery to see how far it has reached. So at 30 minutes, it's at 54% from 0%. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next 10 minutes at 40 minutes. Okay, so let's go. Start the timer again. See you all soon. Okay, back again. So we're almost at 40 minutes. So I'm going to stop it. Hold on. Okay, so I've stopped it on 40 minutes and let's check how far it's reached. 66%. Well, 67 now. So yeah, 67% from 0% after 40 minutes. Okay, so I'll be back at the 50 minutes mark. So let's go. See you all soon. Okay, back again. So we're almost at the 50-minute mark, so I'm going to stop it. Okay, so I've stopped it at the 50-minute mark. And now let's have a look and check to see how far the battery has reached. 81%. Okay. Okay, so I'll be back at the 60-minute mark, which will be 1 hour. So stay tuned. see you all shortly. So let's start back the timer. Okay, see you all soon. Okay, so I'm back again. We're at the 59, almost at 60 minutes mark. Let's stop it at 1 hour. Okay, so let's check the battery percentage. And it's at 93% on approximately the 1 hour mark. Okay, so there's not long to go now, so let's continue with the test. So let's start the timer and I'll see you in the next 10 minutes. Hopefully we should have a full charge because we're at 94%. There's not long to go. All right, see you all soon. Okay, my viewers, I'm back. It's almost 1 hour and 10 minutes, so I'm going to stop the timer exactly on 1 hour and 10 minutes. And let's have a look and see how far the battery has reached. 98%. So there's not long to go, so I'm going to continue the test and I'll be back once it's fully completed, okay? So let's go. See you all soon. Okay, I'm back again. So it's fully charged 100%, so I can stop the timer. And it's taken exactly approximately 1 hour 14 minutes to fully charge the Samsung Galaxy A17 from 0% to 100%. As you can see, 100%. And the timer, 1 hour, 14 minutes and 48 seconds. So yeah, that was just my quick video showing you all how long it takes to charge the Samsung Galaxy A17 from a totally dead battery, 0% to 100% using a Samsung 25-watt charger. And I did have super charging enabled. I can show you right now. Hold on. Let me just turn the phone on. So fast charging was enabled. And like I mentioned, I'm using a super fast charger. Don't know if you can all see that. So let me just go into the battery settings to show you all. Okay. So battery and charging settings. So as you can see, fast charging was enabled during the test. So yeah, that's how long it takes. 1 hour, 14 minutes, 48 seconds to fully charge the phone with a 25-watt official Samsung charger. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.